I have many goats. I have many goats. The goats are different colors. The goats are different colors. There are 20 goats here. There are 20 goats here. 10 goats are male. 10 goats are male. 10 goats are female. 10 goats are female. The goats are following me. The goats are following me. I am watching them carefully. I am watching them carefully. One goat is very active. One goat is very active. There is a lot of grass. There is a lot of grass. There is a lot of grass. The goats are eating grass. The goats are eating grass. I am standing near them. I am standing near them. The goats are moving around. The goats are moving around. I am sitting on the ground. I am sitting on the ground. Suddenly, one goat is sitting. Suddenly, one goat is sitting. The goat is not walking. The goat is not walking. The sick goat is standing now. The sick goat is standing now. I am cutting more grass. I am cutting more grass. I see a mango on the ground. I see a mango on the ground. I am picking the mango. I am picking the mango. I am biting the mango. I am biting the mango. The mango tastes sweet. The mango tastes sweet. My goats are full now. My goats are full now. They are not eating anymore. They are not eating anymore. Some goats are still eating. Some goats are still eating. I am counting them again. I am counting them again. One goat is missing. One goat is missing. I am looking around. I am looking around. I see a goat near the tree. I see a goat near the tree. Now all goats are together. Now all goats are together. I am starting to go home. I am starting to go home. The goats enter inside. The goats enter inside.